how's it going? Hello. So I'm like both TikTok and Instagram. So I have my camera right here, and of course my other phone right there. So I'll be cracking open. Well, I already started opening this box. So I opened 3 packs so far. This is a secret. How's it going, card game guy? Wave, wave, wave. Alright. So here I'm going to be opening Battle of Chaos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Have you pulled the Dark Magician 25th anniversary yet? Not yet. This is the first booster box that I've ever opened since the release. So I did open some packs from the sneak peek, but I haven't really opened a box yet, so this will be my first. I pulled the secret so far. This is the sales band. So that's that. So I pulled the ultra rare. There we go. First ultra. Vocal 3 secret, 3 super, 1 ultra, and 1 secret. So hopefully I get to pull that 25th anniversary alternate art of Dark Magician. That'd be nice. Ooh. Nice. Pulled Magic Rebo. They would have at least made this ultra rare. That would have been cool. Thanks, Red Hunter. I will do my best. What's up, Butter Lion? How's it going? Just cracking open some Yu-Gi-Oh packs. The new set, Battle of Chaos. So I do have a case, which I'm hunting down for Starlight Rare. I've only pulled 1 Starlight Rare since the release of that rarity, so hopefully I get to pull more. Super ultra. Cool. Can't wait to see Starlight Rare in this box. Yeah, me too. Vision with eyes of blue. That's nice. Do I sell mystery boxes yet? Not yet. I'm still still kind of like still selling in. I don't have anything organized yet, so right now I'm just focusing more on making videos, hopefully on YouTube, but I'm mainly focusing on TikTok and Instagram since I've been slacking on that one. Yeah, let's get that Dark Magician. Hopefully I pull it. It's an ultra rare, so I might miss it. Smile Potion, some mutant cards. So most of the cards here are for sale or trade. If you see something, let me know. Just message me on Instagram so we can work something out. So I pulled a secret rare so far. Sales ban, that's the first one. So hopefully the other secret is better. Ooh, look at that. Timaeus the United Dragon. That is cool. Yeah. That's our second ultra rare. So that's one of the good cards. So that's nice. I also pulled the Kuriboh Dark Magician, so that's also cool. There we go. Take a look at that. It's pretty cool. I love it. The Dark Magician actually takes the place of the common. Oh, okay. So hopefully I don't miss it. So if you see it, let me know. Nordic Relic Svaline? Okay. Hard to pronounce that. There we go. Not bad. So pulled 2 ultra, 1 secret, and we're already on our halfway on a box, so yeah. Dark Dimension Soldier, pretty cool. So if you're on Instagram, I'm on live both Instagram and TikTok. On the TikTok side, you can have a better view on what I'm pulling, even though I'm showing you guys the hollows. But yeah, if you have TikTok, go hop in. My favorite Yu-Gi-Oh card is Dark Magician. Of course. Aside from Dark Magician, I love Summon Skull. Okay. Magic Kuriboh. That's my second copy. Let's see if we can aim for... Let's see. We can aim for a playset. Summon Skull is one of my favorites. Ooh, okay. I pulled a second secret rare. The Zombie Vampire. Alright. So that was that. It's gorgeous. You gotta appreciate the artwork on that one. Really gorgeous. Alright, so pulled the 2 secret rares that I wasn't really expecting. I didn't know those cards existed, to be honest with you. There's a lot of Nordic cards here. Mutant, S-Force, Lancewell. My favorite Egyptian god card, it's gotta be Slifer. It's gotta be Slifer. Dictator of B. Sweet. The Agent of Destruction, Imprudent Intrusion. Dictator of B. Beautiful. Okay, let's be careful there. So I haven't seen a Dark Magician yet. That card is going for 180, right? Not too crazy. People hyped it up. They were saying $800, but I knew it wasn't gonna be sitting on that price. It was just too obvious. Team Slifer, baby. Yeah. So I got 6 more packs to go. Yeah. The Great Double Casted Caster. Okay. Try saying that 10 times. Summary Tour, Dynamorphia Shell, and that'll be it. So we got, how many? 6 more packs, like I said? Let's go, Matthew. How's it going? Wave, wave, wave. Yeah. There you go. Dynamorphia Reversion. Smoke Mosquito, DDD Headhunt. Super rare from there. Not too bad. Not too good. Okay, so we got 4 more packs. Right there. So really, Dark Magician is the only hope here. Dimension Conjure and of the line. Okay, not even gonna try pronouncing that, but it looks cool. Top Share. Okay. But welcome, Chris. How's it going? Miguel, how are you? Randy. Just cracking open some Battle of Chaos. Vampire Fascinator. That's cool. I wish they had more Dark Magician supports here. Contract with patent license. Some Dogmatica card. Alright, so last pack from here. Hopefully I can get some luck. Last pack magic. Let's go. So hopefully that's Dark Magician right there. okay. At least it's ultra rare. Chaos Nephthys. See that real quick. By the way, I'm using the Dark Magician sleeve, hoping that I was gonna pull the Starlight Rare, but you know, it's really hard. Really hard. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's see if this is Dark Magician. Monster Rebirth. Not the Dark Magician that I was hoping for, but it's okay. I have one more box right here. Actually, I have a case right here. So if you guys can see that, I'm actually gonna be opening this on YouTube, which I'm pretty excited for. I haven't posted any video on my YouTube in like almost 2 years, so really excited to actually hop in it. But if you want to check out my TikTok, I post videos there daily, and I'm also trying to post on Instagram, at least the story side, daily as well. But that would conclude my Battle of Chaos opening. I'll do the recap, and that would be it. So let's see. Let me start off with the TikTok side and show you guys the super rares. Okay, I forgot to sleep this one. Missed that. That would have been insane. You're right. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Vision with Ice of Blue. That's cool. I mean, Karibo is probably the only thing that I'm like really too excited about regarding super rares. I really wish they would have bumped the rarity up to ultra. But overall, not too bad. Overall, not too bad. You know? Are you willing to trade for some Battle of Chaos? Are you talking about the booster box, packs, like singles? But I'm assuming booster boxes? I don't know. Alright, so here are the ultras. Okay, so we got Chaos Nephthys, Soul and Luna. We got Arsactic Radiation. I think I pronounced that correctly. Timaeus the United Dragon, so that's cool. So yeah, there you have it. I think Timaeus the United Dragon is the hit in this box. I'm not so sure about the secret rare, which I'm gonna go through. Sales ban, we got that. Do you like Digimon cards? Yes, I do. I actually do like Digimon cards. As a matter of fact, I have a booster box of Digimon right here. Really special booster version 1.0. I think the price on this went down a little bit, but I still love it though. It brings back so many memories from my childhood. So that's that. But yeah, Salesman and the Zombie Vampire. I love vampire decks, which I'm going to be doing a deck profile on my YouTube. So I don't know how good this card is, but I'll look into it. But overall, if you see something that you like, go ahead and give me a shout on Instagram. But like I said, I'll be opening a box of Battle of Chaos, and I'm also giving away a Battle of Chaos too. So if you wanna find out more about the information, go to my TikTok and click the link. That'll be it. And then also opening the case of Battle of Chaos on my YouTube channel, and hope to pull the Starlight Rare. Yeah, I mean, I hope to pull a Starlight Rare from 12 boxes, so that's that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for showing up. I really do appreciate it. a box. Right now, I'm not really trading or selling any boxes, so I'm sorry. But yeah, singles I'm more than happy to sell, unless stated. So thank you.